Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video is presented by Amazon. Dyson DC24 Multi-Floor Ultra Lightweight Ball Upright Vacuum Cleaner. DC24 Multi-Floor is an ultra-lightweight and compact Dyson ball vacuum cleaner that uses patented root cyclone technology for no loss of suction. DC24 Multi-Floor has a motorized brush bar for removing dirt and pet hair that have lodged deep inside carpets. More than 629 British gave it 5 stars, and it became a best-selling item at Amazon. Click the blue link in the description to get the best price on Amazon.